It's time now to do exercise 3. And in this exercise, we're going to practice some of the skills that we've learned in this section of the course. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to create a new workbook based on the template monthly bank reconciliation. And I'd like you to save into the default custom templates folder and make sure that you understand the advantage of doing this. I'd then like you to create a new blank workbook and save it into a folder of your choice in OneDrive. And I'd just like you to name the workbook your initials -practice.xlsx. I'd then like you to open the file exercise03.xlsx from the exercise files folder. And I'd like you to apply some bold formatting to the heading row. And then using the students listed in column K, I'd like you to create a custom list. And I'd like you to use that custom list to fill down the student names in the table. So a few different things to do there. If you'd like to see my answer, then please keep watching. Now, the first thing I asked you to do in this exercise was to create a document based on the template monthly bank reconciliation. So we're going to jump up to File, we're going to go into New, and we're going to search our templates. There it is just there. Let's double click to open this up and load it into Excel. I then asked you to save this template into the default custom templates folder. So we're going to jump up to File, we're going to go into Save As, and we're going to choose Browse. Now the first thing we need to do here is we need to change the Save As type drop down because we're saving this as an Excel template.
Hi, from everyone at Simon Says It. We hope you're enjoying this training lesson. Please like this video to show your support for the channel. If you want to take your learning further, earn a certificate for this course, and gain access to over 200 courses ad-free, click up there and go to simonsaysit.com. Thanks for watching, and back to the course.
And you'll see that the moment that we do that, it's going to jump us to the custom templates folder. I didn't ask you to rename this, so we're going to leave it as monthly bank reconciliation and simply click on Save. I also asked you to make sure that you understood why it's advantageous saving it into this custom folder as opposed to a folder of your own choosing. Well, it just means that if we want to create a file based off of this template, we can go to File, New, and then underneath this Personal tab, we're going to be able to find our template. And you can see there it is just there, monthly bank reconciliation. The next thing I asked you to do was to create a new blank workbook and save it into a OneDrive folder of your choice. So we're going to go up to File, we're going to say blank workbook. You could have pressed Control N to do this. And we're going to save it into OneDrive. I'm going to put mine in my course files folder and I'm going to name it my initials -practice. And click on Save. Next, I asked you to open up the file exercise03 from the exercise files folder and apply some bold formatting to the heading row of this table. So we're just going to select it and we're going to click on Bold. I then asked you to create a custom list of all of the students listed in column K. So for this, we need to jump up to File, go down into Options, and then into Advanced. And if we scroll all the way down towards the bottom, this is where we have our Edit Custom List button. We're going to import our list from cells. I'm going to select the cells that contain my list and click on Import and click on OK. I then asked you to use the custom list to fill the student names down in column B. So when we have a custom list, we simply need to type in the first one, and then we can literally just drag the autofill handle to fill those names down. And that is it. I hope you got an okay with that, and I will see you in the next section.
Congratulations on reaching the end of this training video. Continue your training in Excel 365 for beginners with the next video in the series by clicking over here. For more related training videos, click over here to watch this popular playlist of free learning resources. To see more videos like this one, click below to subscribe.